beautiful. Korean Air. Was that the 777?
Let me see.
I think that was the 777.
Yes. 777.
That was beautiful. Who's coming?
Soar to LAX.
That was beautiful.
Yep.
Now we got the
What we got coming now?
Next one is from Tokyo.
is coming this way.
Are you joking? You joking? That's
The
Star
next
Wars.
one is Tokyo. The next one is from Tokyo.
Tokyo, is that Anna?
Yeah, thanks to
Yeah.
Western Global, they did a flip flop. Yeah, Western Global.
I thought Korean was taking 25 left.
No, that was the cargo, Western Global.
Oh, they switched the runway.
Now, okay. So things
What we got coming? What's coming now?
the on the line, BB8.
Anna from
Yep.
Japan?
Yep, in the Star Wars library.
What? No, you're joking.
Nope, they did a last second switcheroony.
It's coming now. What?
Yep.
Is that the 777?
That's all they fly here.
What's coming?
Huh?
What's coming next? On 24.
Let me see.
24 right.
See, I told you it was gonna.
You got the Star Wars. You got it right, man. That was awesome.
Yeah,
Okay, next
That was
one
from
is
Japan?
Las
They did
Vegas.
last switch.
American Airlines.
American Airlines, 24,
Yes.
right?
737.
730s? Oh, I love 37.
737.
That's my favorite aircraft.
Come on, this is like a Southwest favorite.
I know, that's my favorite.
30 minutes.
You know, I like Southwest because you know this plane.
Yes.
Familiar sound, familiar structure.
Yes, yes.
The Southwest sucks.
I like Southwest.
And in about 30 minutes.
What we got? What we got? Oh, here we go.
Here we go. So,
Here we go.
American Airlines.
Is that American?
Yes, American Airlines.
Is that the 737? Woo, beautiful. Is that from Vegas?
Oh, yes, from Las Vegas.
Okay.
There's an app called Flight Trader. Anyway.
I don't know why that's my favorite aircraft. I used to love the 727, but of course that's
I
gone.
haven't heard of it.
Never heard of the 727?
Too old.
They retired, yeah. They retired about a few years back.
Next one is still American Airlines from Philips.
Which aircraft?
Airbus
The
321.
321, okay. That looks like the 737. Did you graduate from Provo?
No, UC Santa Cruz.
Okay, where'd you get that from? That's a beautiful shirt, man.
You know the gift shop in BYU?
You never went to school there? You just love this campus?
Huh?
You just love the campus?
Yeah, I took a summer school there, but I graduated from UCSC.
Okay, I did the same thing. I took one class there, and then I went to.
This is your island. Hawaii is too small, right?
It's too small. It's too small.
Feels like
It's good for it's good for vacation though.
a jail.
Like a jail, yeah, you can say that. But for me, it's okay because all I did was study when I lived there. All I did was study around, and a lot of social media. So I'm in the house and I'm not out and about anywhere. So yeah, like Facebook and
Yeah, but,
YouTube.
but you can't go anywhere. It's too small.
No, you can't go anywhere. You're right.
Unless you have a plane.
Unless
Or
what?
boat. Unless you have a plane or
A
boat.
plane, a boat.
Also,
Oh, here we go. Who is this coming in?
Airbus.
Oh, this is the A321.
Yeah.
Oh, that's American.
American Airlines.
Beautiful. Look at that landing. Picture perfect.
You should see all the way up to the smoke. You'll see the smoke when it comes to the ground.
What's next?
Let me see. Next one is still American Airlines.
Another American? Which
Yeah.
aircraft? Is that the A
321.
series? Another 321?
Airbus 321.
Okay.
And then the next one is
Where's that
Las
one out of?
Vegas, Southwest. 737.
Southwest.
The one after this one.
Okay.
It's an app. You can see all the flights.
I got that. Which app is that?
This one. The flight something called
I was supposed to print that out before I came, but I'll do it next time. I'll be here tomorrow, so I'll print it out. What we got next there? We got American coming in, 8321.
Well,
Yeah.
in about 2 hours. from
Flight
now,
Trader 24.
It's gonna be dark
This
by the
one.
time they
Oh,
get.
Flight Trader.
Yeah.
Oh, I got that one.
Now,
Okay.
if you don't mind kind of being out here when it's barely twilight, there's a China Southern A380 inbound.
A 380?
Yep.
I've never. Wait a second. Maybe I did see that up close. I would love to see that on this runway. 24, right?
A380?
Yeah, China Southern.
Didn't that come in at 25, right? Oh, here we go. What we got here?
Yeah.
Is that American?
Airbus.
Okay.
American Airbus. The next one is Southwest.
I love you, American. Here we go. Oh, that's Alaskan. How'd they squeeze that in? What was that? Alaskan, is that a 737?
Oh yeah, that's Alaska.
What is that, 737? Or A321?
The next one is Southwest.
Southwest. What happened to American?
I read it wrong. Start with A. Sounds correct.
Okay.
Nice fault.
You forgive it. You took a class at BYU, so you forgive it.
Southwest.
Southwest, you see it coming?
No, it's on the
You know, they need to take that billboard out of the way. I can't see.
Southwest.
That
I know, I
building's
trust
been
you.
there for years.
I know, it needs to move because I can't see the aircraft until they get right up on me. It's too late. Oh, it's coming? Okay. Well, that's a 737 because that's all they fly.
Yeah, definitely. Next one is due Southwest.
Another Southwest?
Yeah, another Southwest.
Here it comes. Here it comes, guys.
Yep, and 25 minutes out is
This is a big
Virgin
one.
Atlantic.
There's a big one? I'm looking for a 380. A A380.
That's 2 hours away.
I'll wait.
And these are the sweet peanuts on the plate. These are the sweet peanuts and
I want to see the 380 up close. That's Delta.
there's a 747.
There's a 747 coming?
Yeah, 747.
What airline? I can't miss that one.
Kalita?
Kalipa? Yeah, Kalita.
Yeah, Kalita.
Kalita.
Kalita Air 747 from
Was it from Orlando?
Orlando.
You know what? One flew out to Orlando. I was watching it yesterday. It took off from here and it flew to Orlando. I guess it's the same. It's a returning flight. No, seriously, it flew to Orlando. I bet it's the same aircraft.
That was fun. 747. I like the big one.
I love the big ones. What is this? This is that an A321? It looks like an A321. The Delta. Is that A321?
A3 what?
A32 Airbus 321. Can you see the takeoffs on there?
Oh, let me see.
There's Anna. What is that? 777. Oh, here we go. Here comes Southwest. Oh God, I love it, man. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I can't wait to start flying again. We're supposed to go to Hawaii in July. We had to cancel.
Huh?
We were supposed to go to Hawaii in July or June. They canceled.
Why?
Well, I'm sorry, we canceled. They want us to quarantine for 2 weeks.
Missed earlier today.
What is that?
Air New Zealand 787.
Oh, we missed it?
In the All Blacks livery.
Really? What time did that come in?
4 p.m.
Oh, today?
Yep, today.
I just missed it.
This one is a big one coming.
Give me a 380, man. That's what I want to see. Do the 380s land here or they land on 25 right? 25 left. They land here on 25.
There's only one carrier that brings them here now, so they're going to be on the side no matter what.
You know, they're going to retire the A380s,
It's
right?
already happened.
Oh, it's already happened?
Yeah. Air France already did it. Lufthansa sold part of their factory Air France.
That's a 37?
Delta, yes.
Delta, yeah. They look so similar to the A321, don't they?
I don't know.
And by the way, when the Annas take off, I was here last week. When they take off, the whole ground vibrates. When that aircraft takes off, the whole, I think that's a, what is that, a 777?
Yeah, that's a 777.
When that one takes off, the whole ground vibrates. I was here, yeah.
It's a 773. I got pictures of it, and then
Well, we know that's a 737.
I got that. I got pictures of that exact plane landing a couple hours ago. Now it's already going back to Tokyo.
Are you serious?
Yep.
That's a big one coming.
I've been here all day.
Wait, but I don't think they're landing on the runway. They're going to land somewhere over there.
What runway?
Are you talking about Kalita?
The runway over there.
Yeah, talking about the
Kalita? Well, Kalita took off from here the other day.
Look at that plane. That is
Damn, that's big.
Yeah, they're going back. Yeah, they're going non-stop to Tokyo.
You know, those engines can run forever. Okay, feel the ground. The ground's gonna vibrate when this takes off. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Feel the ground, guys. It's gonna vibrate. So that's nonstop to Japan? It just flew in.
Yeah, it's the.
That's it.
It's a 777-300 variant.
Wow.
It's the extended range, so it's designed for this type of flights.
Oh, I see.
With what's called ETOPS.
Okay.
I saw a Southwest from Salt Lake.
You saw what?
There was a Southwest from Salt Lake.
Oh, from Salt. Oh, here we go. What is this? That's a Learjet. What is that?
It's a
Is that a private?
yeah, it's a private business. Probably the salt.
Yeah, that's private.
I forgot he was coming in. I heard that air traffic control mentioned them.
Hey, it's fast.
Yeah, it's fast.
Private jet is faster than commercial.
What are they coming in at? 125 miles per hour? What's their landing speed anyway? What's the landing speed on that jet? Like 125, 160?
Airspeed, air traffic control uses knots.
Oh, knots.
The landing speed is always 122 straight knots.
120. Okay.
Yeah. So this private jet is from Monterey, California.
Monterey. Oh.
Yeah. You can see the route.
Okay.
Monterey, California, fly all the way here.
How long was the flight? Like 2 hours?
1 hour.
1 hour?
I take off from San Jose to here. It's
1 hour?
It's an hour and 10 minutes.
Okay.
It's actually faster. It's less than an hour, like 59 minutes.
Okay. Well, the cool thing about a private jet, you don't have to go. You don't have to check in, the security, and it's a lot more convenient to check in and check out.
No one wants to bump their own plane.
That's well, I don't know. They might be doing it for insurance purposes. Who knows?
We're not going to get Virgin Atlantic.
What happened? They changed runways?
There's an airline that's pretty much locked up to go on to South Complex. And it's a heavy too.
I want a heavy, man. Another heavy. Bring another Anna in. We don't get too many Annas, do we?
They spent the time. Well, earlier, you had to be here a couple hours ago. That's when everything was coming in. See, now everything's leaving. So now everything's starting to head out. Well, maybe we're going to get Virgin Atlantic. Okay,
What we got coming in?
Okay, well, we are going to get Virgin Atlantic on this side.
You're lying, right? Oh, that'd be nice. How far out is
I'm
it?
not kidding. They redid this course because he actually wanted the pilot actually.
Which aircraft is that? Is that a 777?
No, it's an Airbus A350-10.
Oh, 350. Oh, okay. Is that the one? Is that the one with 4 engines?
No,
The 350?
no, it's 2 engine.
Okay. I know the 330 and the 350. Which one's the 4? No. There's an Airbus with a 4
That's
engine.
the biggest one.
Airbus had made two aircraft with one engine and 4 engines. The A340 and the A380.
The A380.
Yep, both of which are now discontinued.
320, A320, and the 737.
Yeah,
That's correct. What about the 321?
But have you heard the Airbus get a problem? You have to restart the computer every 48 hours.
Start what computer? Not in the cockpit.
No, the computer on the plane.
on their Neos.
Are you serious?
Yes, you're going to get that.
I know the Neos are having problems again.
Yeah, so you have to restart the computer every 48 hours.
And what if you don't restart it? Then what?
Dead. The computer
Oh
dead.
God.
You can't control the plane anymore. Computer are dead. Don't know why.
Why does ATC have its own problems? Yep.
What we got coming, guys?
In a few minutes,
What?
we'll have Virgin Atlantic Flight 23
Nothing.
from London Heathrow.
Nothing now. No plane. There's no plane.
Yeah, Virgin Atlantic 23 is the next thing up.
So,
I was gonna come earlier, but it was so hot. I'm like, oh man, I can't.
That
be
was the
out
time to
there.
come out. I've been out here since 11.
I came Friday morning, and man, I couldn't see. It was so overcast.
you guys come here every day?
Oh, no, I just started coming. I actually come like, I just started coming like 2
You
weeks
living
ago.
nearby now?
Me? No, I live far. I live in Santa Clarita, 40 miles away.
Not bad.
But we're near the Burbank Airport, so there's not a lot of traffic out there.
Mostly get
We should.
We get
Burbank.
Burbank. We get mostly 737.
Yeah.
We should build a
And
Hyperloop.
the occasional 757.
Yeah, on a case. But
We
something's
should-
coming. Is that our? What is that coming here? That's a different runway, isn't it? That's
Yeah,
that's 25 left. Oh, right.
You know what? We should build a Hyperloop.